Hey guys, it's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen, and today I am hiking with my friend in Arizona. We are in Sedona, Arizona, and we are actually backpacking today, so I'm super excited. It's been so long since I've done a backpacking trip, so I'm excited to take you along this backpacking trip. We are gonna hike around 22 miles, I think. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We just started. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and it's so beautiful here. Look, backpacking is basically when you pack everything you need to survive in the wilderness into a backpack and you go hiking. And usually you'll pitch a tent for a night or two along the trail, and it's really fun. Hey guys, so it is 1 p.m. and we are still trekking through. We're actually about to approach the part of the hike that goes through the road, and that's what we're about to do. Hello. It is so beautiful out here. Hey guys, so part of this trail is on the road. So right now we are just hiking up alongside this road. And yeah, we are almost there. Yeah, I don't really like this part so much, but it's the only way to get back on the loop trail. So here we are doing it. I don't like this at all. Too close to these cars. Yeah, way too close. Okay, let's keep going so we can get off this road part. Basically rock climbing at this point. Guys, this is so hard. This is the part of the trail that's called Sterling Pass, and it is no joke. This is rough. I don't know why I'm struggling so much, but I'm struggling. Literally just sitting down to take a break because the hike is just too much. There's just so many rocks. Like, I don't know whose idea this was, but it's rough. Go backpacking, they said. We're literally just sitting here. Just
I'm trying to connect to the mountain.
So defeated. This is so hard. This trail is so hard for real. Like, I don't know what is going on, but and we're so close to the top. That's what's making me really upset. It's like, that's the top, literally right there. Guys, we made it to the campsite. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Let me go down here a little bit. Wow, it feels so much easier to walk without the backpack. Oh my goodness, wow. I feel like a light feather. Wow, I feel like a light feather. Ah. So this is the campsite. This is where we're gonna set up the tent. There is a fire pit here. So this is pretty cool. I am so tired. Y'all, that last part almost took us out, but we made it and we're here. So here we are.
Let's go. Ding, come on. Go ahead. Ding, Phil.
Can you come get? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, somebody left their fire unattended here.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? We just got here.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, day one has ended and I am so exhausted. It is about to get dark and we just finished eating. I'm drinking some hot chocolate. That's definitely hitting the spot. Yeah, it was rough. That last part of the hike was really rough and basically took us out. So we're gonna go to sleep really early tonight. We'll get up really early tomorrow at sunrise. And I will take you on the rest of the backpacking trip. Hey guys, good morning. We had a good night's sleep and right now we are getting ready to keep on trekking. This is the Vaulty Arc or Arch. As you can see, it's way over there. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's over there. So we're gonna go, it's a 0.2 mile hike to the arch. So we're gonna go hike to it real quick and then we'll come back and finish backpacking. Onto the bridge. This is the bridge as you can see, and there's gorgeous views all around. It's so beautiful. It's a little scary because literally standing on a bridge made out of rock. I can fall, but let me not say that while I'm standing on here. But yeah, this is the bridge. It's pretty cool. It's very sturdy. This is in Arizona. It's really beautiful here. This is a massive sinkhole. There, as you can see, it's a big hole. So we are trekking along our backpacking route, and it's supposed to rain tonight. So trying to see if we can finish the whole thing and just like go back to the car to avoid the rain. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, so yeah, we got about 8 more miles to go, so definitely doable, but I'm so tired. If there's anything this backpacking trip has taught me, it's that I need more practice. Like, taking a long break between backpacking trips really takes a toll on your body. And I feel like my body has definitely felt that this trip. I forgot what it feels like to have to carry 30 to 40 pounds on my back and hike at the same time. And I think all the other backpacking trips that I've ever done, I've never had to actually, what is happening with this lighting? I'm trying to put it somewhere y'all can see me, but with all the other backpacking trips, I've never had to actually climb up rocks, which is what we had to do yesterday. Yeah, that was rough. These are absolutely amazing. Let me show y'all what we're seeing right now. Guys, we made it back just before it gets dark, but we did it. Today we did how many miles? Like 10, over 10 for sure, right?
Yeah.
How many miles did we do? Like 8? No, it's over 10. Can't be 11.6. Yeah, we hiked 11.6 miles today. Yeah, that's a lot in one day. But yeah, we're done. This has been a great backpacking adventure. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm ready to just sit down. I'm ready to just sit down for a minute. That's all I want to do right now, is sit down. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for coming along this adventure with me. There's going to be more backpacking trips for sure this year, and I'm excited to take y'all along with me on the next adventure.